Hello! All right, we are gonna get this kitchen makeover started, and I'm starting with the decision that some of you are probably not gonna like, but that's okay. I am going to paint my ceiling a dark, rich brown. I have been thinking about this for months, and while I've been back and forth about it, I'm at the place where I just keep thinking it would give so much warmth and richness to the space that I have to do it. And at the end of the day, it's paint. So if I decide I really don't like it, you just prime it and paint it over. So it's not a significant commitment. I am really excited to see how this turns out. So let's go ahead and get this paint started.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Oh man, what do we think so far? It's dark. I think I really like it. I did have an oh dear moment, but I think it's past. I think this might have been a really good decision. All right, let's keep going.
I just wanna love you right. Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. Give it all away to do it all again.
Good morning. It's the next day. Now, I will say it's dark in here. It is dark in here. Now, in all fairness, it is earlier in the morning, so the light is not the same as it was yesterday yet because the sun just hasn't rotated around to the back of my house, but the light loss is significant, which realistically is going to happen with dark paint, but I do think the environment in here, like it feels so different. So I'm gonna go ahead and edge around the perimeter. I have a little like spot work to do up in that section, but I think we're gonna keep it. We'll see how I feel about it in time just because the light is so different, but I can also swap out bulbs to make it brighter in here. The light bulbs that I have currently are like a very soft light, so I could do something brighter, and that might make up the difference. So I'm gonna start edging to finish this ceiling off.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
All right, I am done painting. One thing about painting is you're gonna get a workout. I will have to go over some of the white paint, which I have white paint left, just to fix spots that I got brown paint on, but I have to peel this tape off. You wanna make sure you're getting your painter's tape off while your paint's still wet. You don't wanna leave it there to dry. And that's always the stressful part, particularly with such a contrasting paint color. So I'm gonna peel that off and we'll see how it turned out.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. for sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Good morning, we are back. It's another day. We're getting back to this kitchen makeover. I took down the small shelf that I had on that wall back there, and I think I'm going to build a bigger one. I really want a shelf there, and I have tried to thrift one of those wall shelves for a while, but I just really didn't find one that was either the right size, or a lot of them have like hearts carved into them or something, and I'm really just looking for a much more simple version. So I'm just gonna build it, and then that way I can build it to the exact size that I want. I lost my audio recording on the last clip, but basically I am just measuring here to make sure that the shelf is not impacted when the pantry door is open. You'll also see that I have a phone jack here that I cannot get out of the wall, so I'm gonna do my best to conceal it. So I'll do the shelf about, I think, 46 inches, which is nice when you just buy an 8-foot board because you can just cut it in half, cut it down, and then you only need to buy one board, which saves you money on your project.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I'm trying to decide if I should paint the island base here, and man, I have been thinking about this for days because I just don't know if I should do it. I want to do it. I want to paint it the same brown as I did the ceiling to kind of bring some cohesiveness to this base. I just don't know if it's a good decision for this piece of furniture. First of all, this is not good material to paint. It's very susceptible to chipping. So I would definitely have to probably do a bonding primer first. And once you paint a piece like this, there's no going back. So I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. But I have to make a decision because if I'm going to do it, I really need to start priming it like now. So I'm just gonna take a few minutes and make a decision. So ultimately I did decide to paint it, and I just started with this very small paintbrush to get into the finer details of the island, but two things would quickly happen. The first was that I immediately regretted this project, and the second was that my battery was going to end up dying. Just a few hours later, and I was back with a charged battery and a new energy for this project.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Good morning, it's another day. I put a second coat of paint on the island this morning, and now that it's done, it looks so pretty. It is rich and dark, and it just brings more warmth to the kitchen. And I think it was the right decision. It was a stressful decision, but it was the right decision because there was a point where I thought, am I ruining the island, but it ended up looking really, really good. So that will continue to dry. I have this shelf down here on the floor in front of me. I'm going to stain it, and I've been thinking about building it out a little bit or building it higher and maybe doing a second shelf. I'm not sure yet. It might look kind of weird on that wall because it would be so high up. I gotta think that through, but for now we're gonna stain this, and the pegs should also be here today.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it. But you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade.
I decided to add some trim pieces to the sides of the shelf just to make it look a little more polished. I initially went in with some wood glue, and then I used my cordless nail gun just to make sure that those sides were really secure. I had initially installed hardware to the back of this shelf to hang, however I did end up removing it and just screwed the shelf directly into the wall because it really just made it much more stable. It's important when hanging a shelf to make sure that you have a level available so that it goes up as straight as possible. Once I had the shelf up, I gave Miles, my favorite furry assistant, a little bit of attention, and we admired our handiwork. I then had to take a small brush and just go in with the stain that I used on the shelf to get into those trim pieces so that they matched. I just put a paper towel behind so I wouldn't get it on the wall. I just realized that my camera wasn't recording. I hung the curtain rod up significantly higher than it was before. My curtains that I ordered are a little too long because they were basically the height I needed was between two sizes that curtains normally come in, so I went with the longer one. I think what I'm probably gonna have to do is maybe get some like fabric tape and fold it over and kind of iron it down, but it's always better to be a little bit long than it is to be too short. So I'm gonna get the new curtains hung up on the rod, and we are just about done this makeover, which I'm excited to get my kitchen cleaned up and move on to my favorite part, which is styling. Good morning, you guys. It is the final day of this kitchen makeover. I am going to style the shelf behind me. I have a bar that I'm going to install with some S-hooks to just give a little more space for like little things that I want to hang on my countertop. And then the styling of the space. It feels like a completely different room in here, and I can't wait to finish it off and show you how it turned out. So let's start working on this shelf. I felt like this corner of the kitchen had a little bit less light than it did before, particularly. So I picked up this cute little lamp off Amazon that is touch. It has 3 different light colors, which I love, and then it's also rechargeable via like a USB cord. So I thought this was super cute and just a great way to put a lamp in a space that you need a little bit of light that maybe you don't necessarily have an outlet for, or you don't want a cord there.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free.
I think that we are done. I have no doubt that I will change the styling around a little bit over the next few days because that's just who I am. Let's take a look back at this kitchen when we started. It was, in my opinion, still pretty, but a little bit light and maybe lacking some character. I think painting the ceiling and the island were major differences. The curtains really added a cool pattern to the space, and overall, it is just more of what I am looking for in my kitchen. So let's go ahead and reveal this space. So that is it for today. I am over the moon with how this space turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you guys for the next one. Take care of yourself in the meantime. Bye guys.